What's up, my beautiful viewers? Welcome back again to another video from your boy Wambani Media. How was your day, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on the time you'll be watching this video clip from. Guys, as it stands so right now, when you are big, you are big. I beg. If you be true Burna Boy fan, help me write congratulations via the comment box for Burna Boy because Burna Boy just pour spit for him colleague's face after Burna Boy just spent over $2 million. And if you convert that money to Nigerian naira, Burna Boy just spent 3.5 billion naira to buy or to purchase a brand new Mclaren Senna. Burna Boy just purchase new car to add to him garage wey don make Burna Boy the richest garage for Africa and for the whole Nigeria. Burna Boy don dey challenge him colleague say if dem fit comot 3.5 billion naira to buy dis Mclaren, make dem challenge am buy am. Few weeks ago we see how Burna Boy purchase helicopter because Burna Boy talk say him don tire to dey drive for street wey be say him haters, him enemies dey drive. Na why Burna Boy buy helicopter so him go fit dey fly for him haters dem zinc. Now Burna Boy don scatter the whole social media platform. Burna Boy don shut everybody mouth after we just see the different viral video clip of Burna Boy 3.5 billion naira Mclaren. Guys, no be small joy wey full Burna Boy body as Burna Boy just dey test drive this him brand new Mclaren. Guys, I go just dey play una the video clip so una go see how Burna Boy don use dey oppress all him haters for this social media platform. Guys, make una just watch those video clip.
I tell you, only one Abuja car.
Yeah, bro.
Do everything easy. Let me go.
Guys, shey una hear am? Only one Abuja car. Do am if e easy. Burna Boy dey refer to him colleagues. Make una just watch the rest of the video clip. Make una see when Burna Boy receive this him brand new Mclaren. Make una watch that video. Guys, this video clip I just play for now right now. Now when Burna Boy receive him brand new car, una see the escort, the kind convoy wey follow this Burna Boy 3.5 billion naira Mclaren. Make una just see other video clip from Burna Boy brand new car.
Half of them are supposed to be in school. We had already paid their school fees. They are here shouting big stuff.
Guys, truly money na water. No be by church or church say you go buy this, you go buy that. Show working. Burna Boy don show workings by spending 3.5 billion naira to buy a limited edition of this Mclaren Senna. This car na only 15 wey dem produce am, and Burna Boy for the whole Africa, na Burna Boy get one of the 15 of this car. Guys, when you are big, you are big. Burna Boy na him get the most expensive garage for Nigeria and for Africa as a whole, because the way Burna Boy dey spend money anyhow dey shock me. A few weeks ago, we see how Burna Boy just purchase helicopter. You know how much for that helicopter? That one we say we no see the price, but you know how much for that helicopter? Now, Burna Boy dey spend 3.5 billion naira. No wonder wey Burna Boy come outside dey yab im colleague say im dey make around $3,000 to $4,000 per 1,000 views wey im dey make from the UK and US Spotify streaming platform. So na the money like this wey Burna Boy just spend to use buy a 3.5 billion naira Mclaren Senna. Omo guys, when you are big, abeg. Help me write congratulations for Odogo, because Odogo no be guy name o. Anywhere wey una see Burna Boy, ODG, abeg make una dey give am respect.